Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can build a content distribution workflow in Monday.com. First things first, log into your Monday.com account and create a new board. This board will serve as your command center for content distribution. Now, we're not just making any board, we should ideally use the marketing campaigns template as it is tailored for content distribution. Now that we've done that, let's add our content pieces as items on the board. Each item represents a piece of content, so you have a clear overview of what's in the pipeline. This helps us because it gives transparency to our entire content operation. The reason we do this is to track each content's progress. To do this, add status columns for each distribution stage, like writing, editing, ready to publish, and published. Assign each content piece to a stage so everyone knows its current status. Now, let's add a date column for each content's publication date. This is crucial as it helps us plan our distribution schedule and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Next up, assign each content piece to a team member. This gives everyone clear responsibility and avoids confusion. Let me explain why this matters. Having a well-defined workflow helps you streamline your content distribution and stay on top of your game. And that's it. You now have a well-structured content distribution workflow in Monday.com. Just remember to keep updating the board as your content moves through the stages. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the key is to stay organized and keep your workflow updated. See you next time.